Hello, I'm Anita with Heinz Brothers Greenhouse Garden Center, and I'm here today to talk about humidity and your houseplants. Some of them like to have a higher humidity level than we have in our homes, especially in the winter with forced heat that can definitely dry the air. You feel it in your home, I'm sure, with the static and such when you touch your dog and zap his nose. Anyway, plants will show you they need more humidity, sometimes by having little brown spots on the edges or tips. You can increase that with a mister. I did it. That is one way. Another way is you can make a pebble tray. Here you pour the pebbles into the tray, then you'll place the water in, and you won't want to go above the top of the pebbles because the point is to place your plants on top of the pebbles, but not into the water level. So they won't be wicking moisture from the bottom. They're just going to be getting it in the air around them. So here we have a bag of pebbles, and we kind of just popped it into one of our super saucers. And that actually works as a really nice, easy, simple pebble tray. So you could do it that way as well. Once these plants are all together, putting plants with similar moisture requirements or humidity requirements can increase the moisture around all of them. They create their own little microclimate. So hope you enjoy your houseplants and providing a little bit more moisture to keep them happy.